What you're about to hear didn't come from me. I'm just the one saying it out loud. What's actually reaching you right now is something Allah wanted placed in front of you today, in this exact moment. Whether you were looking for it or not, give me a few minutes and listen like it's meant for you, because it is. You might expect a message from Allah to feel dramatic, a dream, a sudden overwhelming feeling, something undeniable. But most of the time, His messages arrive quietly, through ordinary moments like this one. Allah says in the Quran, "And we send down of the Quran that which is healing and mercy for the believers." The delivery, being simple, doesn't make the message any less real. Sometimes the most direct messages come wrapped in the most ordinary packaging. Right now, millions of people are scrolling through the same platform you're on. And out of all of them, this exact message is reaching you. Not because of an algorithm doing its job, because you needed to hear it today, specifically, in a way someone else scrolling right now didn't. That's not a coincidence you should brush past. That's a message with your name already attached to it. Maybe you've been needing reassurance that you haven't been forgotten. Maybe you've been needing permission to come back after feeling distant for a while. Maybe you've been needing to hear that whatever you're carrying isn't too heavy for Allah to handle. Whatever that specific thing is for you, this message was allowed to reach you because it was time you heard it, not tomorrow, not next week, today. When a message is this direct, the only wrong response is doing nothing with it. You don't need a grand gesture. Just take one small, honest step right now. A sincere prayer, a quiet moment of gratitude, a decision to stop delaying something you've been avoiding. That's how you answer a message that was sent directly to you, instead of letting it pass like background noise. This message was directly from Allah, and it reached exactly who it was meant to reach you. Comment, "I received it," if this was exactly what you needed today. And if someone comes to mind who needs this same message, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.